Hello. Welcome. I am Yukiko Amaya, priestess of goddess, energy healer, and a guide to claiming your authentic power. I hope you are well in this very chaotic and important time on our mothership Earth. And today, this video is to invite you to join me on May 2nd, Saturday, on an online Beltane Ritual Workshop. For those of you who are not familiar with Beltane, Beltane was in the Celtic tradition marking the beginning of summer on May 1st. We'll be doing it on May 2nd, it being a Saturday. It's really a time when, and you can see this and happening in nature around you, of this energy coming forth into the flowers blooming, the bees, the birds, this movement in the air of love, of attraction. And so in the goddess tradition, we call this also the time of the lover and the beloved. And it's a really amazing and wonderful time to connect in with your own heart and to start to heal the woundings of love and relationship and sexuality that we all carry, so that we can really claim and step into our own sovereignty. I feel that this is a very timely thing and a very important journey to make at this time, especially with COVID-19 and all that is happening. The attack on our lungs, as we have attacked the lungs of the earth. And it's also much deeper in the sense that the lungs are the organs of grief and connected in with the heart. And there is always so much healing we can do around the heart, and so much grieving. So I invite you to join me, in really coming into a place of embodiment first. And we'll do some movements to enter into the sacred embodiment, to come back from the tower of thoughts into the temple and sanctuary of our body. We will also be journeying to Avalon, to the sacred isle of Avalon, which is the tradition that I work from, where we will be able to receive wisdom and insight for what we personally need in our lives to start to heal those woundings that we have received being human in this world, and to learn how to start to release, to transform, and to regenerate ourselves. We will end this by doing a ritual of coming into alignment with the cosmic rhythm of what is happening right now, around us, within us. So I hope you can join me May 2nd, that's next Saturday, from 1 p.m. till 4 p.m. Eastern Daytime. The link is right below for you to have more information and to sign up. I hope I will see you there. Blessings. Thank you.